Welcome to Ellis Online. This is the first part in a 7-part series covering justices of the peace in Jamaica. So, stay with us, we will be back in a flash. Thanks for staying with us. Justices of the peace are often a key figure used by Jamaicans as references, or to write recommendations when applying for a job in Jamaica. Therefore, we at Ellis Online would like to help those who don't know who is a Justice of the Peace, what their responsibilities are, and where to find one in your parish. Who is a Justice of the Peace? A Justice of the Peace, JP, is a person of unquestionable integrity, who seeks to promote and protect the rights of individuals, and helps to give justice to those persons in a particular community. The Ministry of Justice provides supervision for the various processes involved in the appointment of Justices of the Peace, and ensures that records are accurately maintained. The position of Justice of the Peace originated in England in 1361, with the passing of the Justice of the Peace Act. The peace to be guarded was the King's, sovereign's, peace. The office of a Justice of the Peace is a voluntary one, therefore, a JP must not charge or accept any reward for services performed in this capacity. Justices of the peace are not usually required to have a formal legal education in order to qualify for the office. However, every JP is expected to complete a period of training before he or she is commissioned into office. JPs are governed by a code of conduct. The object of this code is to reinforce the effective administration of justice, by promoting high moral and ethical standards among justices of the peace. It is the JP's duty to act with fairness, independence and integrity. A Justice of the Peace should be unbiased in doing his duties as a JP, and should take all necessary steps to avoid conflict of interest, whether real or perceived. For example, a Justice of the Peace should not sign or prepare documents for pay, as this is a corrupt practice. A JP should act at all times in the interest of the public, with fairness, avoiding political influences. A Justice of the Peace should not use the title of a Justice of the Peace to secure any personal financial benefits, and should at all times abide by the oath of the Justice of the Peace. Oh, we are at the end of the video. Here is something you can do for us. Please subscribe for more helpful topics like these. Okay, did you do it? And as always, thanks for watching.